Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you how much time does Facebook takes to show you your custom audience, right? Many times people ask that, sir, we have created a custom audience but it is still in populating phase and is not ready. It means that Facebook is collecting data of those custom audience, and that custom audience is under construction and is not ready to you can get used in like Facebook ad campaign. So how much time does Facebook takes to show you your custom audience? Let me tell you that if you have created a new custom audience, then initially Facebook will take on and around 6 hours to 24 hours to show you your custom audience, right? But if you have created a custom audience and for example that custom audience is of Instagram and Facebook page engagement, right? Then as soon as people watches your ad and get engaged with your Facebook post or Instagram post or ad, then automatically frequently that particular user would become part of your custom audience, right? There is no time frame for it. Whereas if you have created a custom audience of website visitors, then whatever the rule you have defined while creating that custom audience of website visitors, people would automatically become part of the website visitors custom audience frequently, right? But if you are using any like integration, third party integrations, like whether you are using Pebble or whether you are using Zapier for like integrating your custom audience with the Facebook custom audience, right? Might be you have ran a lead ad, and that particular lead get some after submission get flowed directly into your Google Sheet, and you have connected Google Sheet with your Facebook custom audience. Then like if you are using automation tools, then it might take time to get to become part of the custom audience. Like if any user submits a lead, then it would take time to like flow that particular lead into the Google Sheet, and then from Google Sheets to Facebook custom audience, right? So in that case it totally depends upon the automation time period, like how long that particular lead gets shown into particular custom audience, right? So in that case only custom audience creation can take time, as the data flow takes time from traveling from one platform to another platform and another platform to another platform. Apart from it, if you have already created custom audience, then it would not take much time, and frequently the user would become part of your custom audience. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.